On this video today, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of making a bucket list and how that will move toward making travel a part of your life. If you don't know what a bucket list is, simply put, a bucket list is a list of things or places that we want to visit before we kick the bucket or pass away. I know what you're wondering. Do I really need to make a bucket list? What's the big deal? Can't I just start traveling? Well, you can, but as with any goal you want to achieve, you need to break it down and you need to have a plan. So you can't plan a trip if you don't know where you're going, correct? There are a lot of benefits to making a bucket list. First and foremost, you're setting your intentions. I don't know if you've ever heard of something called the law of attraction, but simply put, the law of attraction states that whatever you focus on, you will attract more of. So if you focus on wanting to go to all these cool destinations that you put on your bucket list, it's more likely to happen. Having a bucket list gives you something to look forward to. Also inspire other people to fulfill their dreams when they see you fulfilling yours. And you'll be creating lasting memories with every trip that you take. You may be wondering if I personally have a bucket list. Well, of course I do. I have an ever evolving bucket list, which yours should be too. In the last couple years, I've crossed quite a few places off my list. So far in this video, we've talked about what a bucket list is, why you should make one, what the benefits are, and the fact that, yes, I personally have one. Now we want to talk about how to go about making one. So there's several options. Easiest one, just get out a sheet of paper and start making a list of places that you want to visit. Another way is to download the bucket list form that I made. The link is below the video. If you prefer something beyond making just a handwritten list, you can go on Pinterest and get some inspiration. There's some really cool examples of travel vision boards. Some people use just images. Some people use stuff they cut out of magazines and make it more of a collage type of thing. Some people combine writing and images. The sky's the limit, whatever is going to be the most inspiring to you. So once you've made your travel bucket list, what do you do with it? I suggest that you hang it somewhere that you're going to see it every single day. Read it every day and have it reinforce the idea that you're committed to making those trips happen. Do you have ideas for your bucket list? I would love to hear them. Share them below in the comments. And maybe some of those places I'll be adding to my own bucket list as well. And if you found this video useful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Wishing you awesome and affordable travels. Talk to you soon.